Mommy gonna open it, okay?
Mom,
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am gonna unbox the things, the clothes that I ordered online in Shein. So, open ko na. Hindi na natin patagalin pa. Okay?
Michael, pop it.
You pop it, Michael. Oh my gosh. Okay, I open it already. So, ito. This is for the newborn baby. It's a baby girl. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. For the baby girl. For his pictorial when she's gonna, you know, a newborn pictorial. Look at that, the crown. Wow, so cute.
Wow, Mama.
Wow, look at the crown.
It's so small.
It's so small. This is for your baby sister. What can I have? Show it there. Look at the crown. It's a little bit heavy too. It's heavy. The crown is heavy. For the baby sister, Michael. Your baby sister. Okay. Wow. Cute. Yan, susuotin niya to. Partner ng crown. It's so cute. So cute. So next, hi, it's so cute. Next is, oh, cute. For his pictorial. For his pictorial. For her pictorial. Oh my gosh. Oh, cute. Look at that. Ito yung hairband. This is your baby sister's hairband.
Baby's hairband.
Yeah, for your baby sister. Just for your baby sister.
Like a flower.
Yeah, that's right. Flower. And then
that?
for your baby sister. So cute.
For the baby.
For the baby. Tutu.
That's for the baby dancing.
Yeah, baby dancing. Cute. Look at that. For the baby. Oh. Ang cute naman na to.
I see.
So small. Newborn baby. Cute. Alright.
Yeah.
Next. Ooh, here's another tutu. Different color.
For girls.
This is for your baby sister.
Let's
For
see.
the pictorial.
Baby.
Yep.
Some more.
Oh, look at the
more.
ribbon. The hairband.
It's for the baby.
Baby
Dance.
sister. Color pink.
No one. This is some more.
Cute. Look at that.
There's some more, Mom. So neat. That's so neat.
For baby. And then yung tutu niya. Cute at liit. So cute. For newborn. Tada! Ito yung isa. May ribbon. Tapos ito naman wala. For pictorial lang to, guys. Yan. Cute. Ito yung partner niya. Hairband. And then, partner niya isa.
What's that?
For your baby sister.
Baby for
Pictorial.
dancing.
For dancing.
There's some more.
There's some more. This one. Look at that. There's another one. For your baby sister.
This one.
Oh, oh, so cute for newborn. Liit. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Ang liit-liit.
For the baby.
So cute for the baby. Cute, no? Ang cute. For baby. Victoria. Newborn. So cute. So tiny. And then here is the hairband. Let me see the hairband. If it's
Right.
okay.
Windy. Windy out.
Windy out.
Right away.
Oh, look at that. Here's the hairband. You need to tie it up. Tie it up. See? So cute.
It's tight.
You need to tie up this. Oh, the same. This is at the back with the ribbon. And this is in front. Ka-sexy sa likod.
So neat. Oh, this is playing on the table.
Oh, this one.
It's the last one.
I am here. This is for your baby sister.
Leaf.
Yeah, leaf. I am here. Daytime, weight, and height.
So neat.
Oh, this is a blanket. Your baby sister gonna lay in here and then. Oh, let's show it to the camera, anak. See that? Mommy gonna stand up and show it to the camera. Excuse me, Michael.
Wait down.
Look.
Mother's got help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yay! That's right. It's 12. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Good.
One.
Oh, give it that. Give it that. Give it that.
Like this thing.
Blanket for the baby's mouth, please.
Oh,
Be nice, be nice, be nice.
It's so neat.
Next. Here, this is for mommy.
Mommy.
This is for mama. Mama's dress.
Mommy, microphone. Microphone.
This is my dress, guys.
Yay!
Maroon dress.
What's that?
The dress. Go get your plastic bag. Dog. Alright guys, yun na yung mga unboxing ko, mga nabili ko galing sa Shein app.
One eternity later.
Guys, mag-unbox ako for the babies, another baby stuff. Baby
No, baby
clothes.
stuff.
Baby clothes
That.
for baby.
Stuff for baby.
Yes, baby's clothes.
So what a pee.
Galing sa aking kaibigan na si Joyce. From my friend Joyce, thank you so much for the baby stuff, baby clothes.
Baby clothes.
Ah.
Baby Sophia.
Yeah,
Baby Sophia.
baby Sophia.
What's that?
For your sister.
Sister. Mommy had a baby.
Look, Michael.
Oh, you're
For
not
your
a
baby
blanket.
sister.
Blanket.
Blanket.
That's blanket.
Your baby's head gonna be in here. After a bath, taking a bath.
This ticket night.
Hairband
Hairband.
for your baby sister.
Wow.
Ah, another hairband.
Hairband. But that's a bow tie.
Oh, look at that. So cute. For the
And
gloves.
gloves.
Yeah, for your baby sister.
Baby
For your baby.
and
Look. So
sister.
cute. So
Baby
cute.
sister.
What is the name of your baby sister?
Sophia.
That's right. Look at that. Mommy says I'm sweet. For your baby sister.
Baby.
Yeah, baby sister's clothes. Another one, Michael.
Another
Look,
one. They're for the sister.
for sister.
Baby sister.
Baby
So
sister, so cute. Clothes. Uncle cute.
wow, what's this?
Pants for your baby sister. So cute.
Pass it off. Wait, dirty. Oh, so dirty.
Oh, look at that, Michael.
Wow. Don't open that. Those are shoes.
Yeah, for your baby sister.
Baby sister shoes.
That's right. So cute.
The
Thank you,
shoes.
Joyce.
A little bit. So it's a
Cute.
little baby.
Yes.
It's a
What
little
else?
baby. Wait,
Oh,
there's
another
a
one.
sock.
Look at that, Michael.
Another pants.
Another pants. Yes.
Yeah.
So
it goes
cute.
at the back.
It's so tiny.
It's for the baby.
For the
Baby.
baby. Oh, another blanket.
Another blanket. Another one.
Another
Mom,
blanket.
this is a hood.
Yeah, that's a hood. Should be like this. Baby sister.
Baby
blanket.
sister.
Yeah. Last one.
Last one. Another one. There's
Yeah.
another one.
Look at that,
Another
Michael.
blanket. Can you see? Wow.
That's for your baby sister.
No more flowers.
No more flowers. There's flowers here.
No more flowers in there.
Not in here, yeah.
Another
Alright.
one.
I'll say thank you for the clothes.
Thank you.
Thank you for the clothes.
My girl's gonna say bye-bye in there.
You're gonna say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.